How's it going, guys? Today is April 25th. It's about I'm not quite sure how hot it is yet, but it's supposed to get to 85. It's 9:30 today. 9:30 a.m. And I had somebody comment on my YouTube channel and wanting to see how many pumps I give the gas there before the cold start and what the process is, I guess. So usually I start with this guy here, pull him out a little bit. That's my choke. And then I usually step on the gas at least 4 or 5 times. Sometimes a little bit more if I hadn't started the truck in a little while. And crank it. There you go. So usually I'll let it run like this for not very long, just enough for it to get gas running and all that good stuff. And then you start pushing this guy back in a little slowly. And then it should start idling there. Sometimes if it sounds crappy, I just give it some gas and then it'll somewhat fix itself there. Like I said, I haven't turned on the truck in about a week, so I have some smoke out there, but nothing too bad. So there it is. So I just wanted to thank you guys for subscribing, and leave comments. I'll try to do whatever I do there. But it looks like a lot of guys with the 78 Dodges or these old Dodges are always missing the gas pedal there. So for now I'm just using that, but I will eventually change it. That's not very safe, but so I mean, got my oil pressure going, my battery meter doesn't work, my water meter doesn't work, so I guess I never overheat. And my battery doesn't work. At least the oil pressure and my speedo there works, so that's good. Well, again, we'll give a shout out to I believe his name was Gearhead, is the guy who left a comment wanting for me to do another video. He said it's a little bit more interesting to find out about that gas, how much times you pump it before you try to start it and all that. So yeah, I usually pump the gas at least 5 to 6 times. Again, depends on how cold it is out here too. So it might be different where you're at.